light and dignity of the human person. In every heart, a sacred spot, a dignity that leaves its mark. Life's value shines forever bright, a call to honor, a guiding light. Call to family, community, and participation. In unity, our strength is found. In family ties, our soul are bound. Together we strive, in love we grow. A shared purpose, the seeds we sow. Rights and responsibilities. Each right a gift, a duty too. A balance we must all pursue. To care, to share, to stand for right. To be the voice, the guiding light. Option for the poor and vulnerable. The least among us call our name. Their struggle ours, their hopes the same. To lift them up, to heal, to care, and love that just beyond compare. The dignity of work and the rights of workers. In labor hands, creation grace. Each task perform a sacred space. For every worker, dignity, fair wage, respect and justice call. Every worker, dignity for all. Solidarity. No border binds the human heart. We stand as one, no one's apart, no parts apart. In peace and love, we'll always strive. A global family is strong, alive. Care for God's creation. The earth's our home, a gift so dear. Its beautiful, its message clear. Protect, preserve, and aid we stand. Stewards of the sacred land. Together, we work together, we stand. Guided by love, with hearts in hand. The 17th, a path so true. A brighter world begins with you.